and welcome. Today we have Pradeepta Kumar Kar with us. Pradeepta, first of all, congratulations for clearing your UGC NET exam in 2019. It's an achievement. How do you feel about it?
It is very. I feel myself very great because I dream to clear the net after such a long period. Because I had cleared my, I had almost completed my study, and after 30 years, I cleared this UGC net. So this is a different type of feeling.
How come you took such a was there any other reason, or it was just because you took the break and you thought about giving the paper now? What was the reason? There was so much break in between your studies, and then suddenly you wanted to prepare again for UGC NET.
No, I'm a professional banker. So management, I'm practicing. I'm in executive cadre. So I thought that why not give a chance after completion of my job, I can move to the education line. I am a certified bank trainer. That is why I took up this. I thought that I should clear the NET so that this will open an opportunity also after supermarket.
Pradeepta, have you seen a change in the number of opportunities you have come across after you cleared your paper?
Definitely, I am having my experience with me. I am a banker with 30-year experience. Definitely, it will going to I can work anywhere because management, my topic management is a very vast subject. I can work anywhere. So insurance management, you can tell cooperative management, business management, administration, personal management, anywhere I can, with my background and with my experience, I can work anywhere. After my retirement also, I can plan for a teaching job also. That is my main aim.
Pradeepta, we would like to know more about you. Where are you from, about your education, something about, what do you plan to do further?
I am basically a banker. I completed my study. I am from agriculture background. From 1983 to 87, I completed my BSc AG. After that, I entered into a banking job. I worked in Reserve Bank of India and in state government also. After that, I moved to Allahabad Bank, public sector bank, oldest bank. There I built up my career as a banker. So I completed my CIB, JIB is banking job. Then I moved to insurance also. I am a fellow from Insurance Institute of India. Then I moved to IT sector also. I am certified CISA and CISM. So more or less I am in touch with all these things. So I thought that why not I try and complete my NET examination. I am also management. I have completed my management since long back. So I thought that I should give a try, and I joined this. I prepared for UGC NET, and I received a lot of help from human operators, and I completed within 2 months. I could complete my NET examination.
Pradeepta, do you have any tips that you would like to share the young students and the upcoming students, in fact, who are going to sit for the paper now?
Actually, I am from a different background. I was preparing after 30 years, so I had with me a different strategy. So I am having some residual experience with me. I am working in management sector. So for me, it was my objective to give complete 100% coverage within the shortest possible time. That is why I searched for what are the alternatives. I got the Human Operators. It is very concise course where, because it is 11 papers, it is very long. Management is a very vast subject. So within a very shortest possible time, I covered what I know. I left it in my first round. And ventured into these areas that I was less acquainted with. Then in the second round, I give a touch to all this topic and covered it. So For me, it was a different strategy. So what from known to unknown, I started and I completed.
Pradeepta, there's one last question for you. Is there anything that you would like to tell the students to specifically avoid while preparing for such exams?
So consistency is very much required. That you have to build up bit by bit. You have to give that quality time, because if you cannot give that quality time, 1 to 2 hour quality time, and not just if you sit for the filler time, then it will be very difficult. You give your best of your time and focus and just start from scratches. The concept should be very clear. Whenever there is difficulty, you can go and research and get the concept cleared. So these are all the things. It may not be the tips, but definitely you should start from what you know, and from then you can venture into what you do not know, because time period is also 2 to 3 months time. It may take more time also, depending upon your subject and your background and your preparation. So for me, I also got very much support from Iman Peritas because of this course, concise course, and I could cover all these things within a very shortest possible time. And I'm very much thankful for that also, because definitely there is a belief system also works. If I am well prepared, I can believe myself is I can crack this exam also.
Again, I would like to say thank you so much for joining me, and congratulations for clearing your UGC NET exam. Also, I would say all the best for all your future endeavors. You're clearly an inspiration for all the students out there to never leave, to never leave on what they believe in. You wanted to clear the paper. You had this in mind for so long, and you finally cleared it. You're such an inspiration for all of us. Thank you so much for joining me today, Pradeep.
Thank you very much.